everyone, you are welcome to Geojay GIS Solution Tutorial channel. I am Peter Emanje Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to solve a problem whereby the QGIS processing toolbox and raster options are not showing. If your processing toolbox and raster options are not showing, how to solve it? Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So in QGIS, when you open it normally, it looks like this. You can see the processing toolbox here. You can see it here. And if you come to raster, you can see raster options showing here. A whole lot of options under raster. But there are situations where raster options are not showing and processing toolbox is not showing as well. So if such happen, how do we solve it? For example, let me show you how it look like. If you look at here now, processing toolbox is not showing. It's not showing here. And if you come to raster, you can see that a lot of options under raster are not showing. So how do we solve it? To solve it, you come back to plugin. Plugin, you see manage and install plugin. When you click on that, you come to all, under all, and come to this search box and type processing. So here you come here, this is processing, you enable it, so check it. So when you check it, you can see and click on close. You can see that processing is now displaying here. And if you come back to raster here, you can see all options under raster are now showing. So in essence, this is how to solve the issue of QGIS processing toolbox and raster option not showing. You only need to enable the processing toolbox. Once you enable it under plugin, all raster options, processing options will be showing. Thank you for watching this video.